In this tutorial, we'll have a look at how you can configure Rhino to use your local email account to send estimates and invoices to your customers from within the Rhino app. So to configure this, we just click up here and we go into System Settings and we click on the System Defaults and we click on the local email and we click on Edit. So we enable it by clicking on here, and what we'll do is we'll use my AOL.com email address and we type in the password. It automatically picks up because of the @AOL.com that I need to use the AOL mail server, and I just click on Test Local Email. So this will now use my username and password to log into your personal email account, in my case in AOL, and it sends a test email. So everything's working fine. That's great. There's thousands of email service providers across the world, so I'm now going to select Gmail. I'll just delete this here. If I was using Gmail, there's one additional step that I need to do to configure this. I need to log into my Gmail account using a web browser, and then I need to click, whilst I'm logged in, I need to click on this link. That will take me to a particular page within my Gmail email account, and it'll ask you to grant access to third-party applications. Once you enable that and click on Save, you can then test the local email. For Apple, it's slightly different. This is Apple Mail. Once again, you need to log into your Apple account and click on this link, and Apple asks you to provide a second password which would be used by third-party applications like Rhino. You can use the same password, but you've got the option to provide a different password. Alternatively, you can click on Custom. So let's say I entered in an email address, eugene@orange.fr. So it's a French mail provider. I now need to find the host name and the port name, and there's a really nice tool down here. If you just click on it, you can input your email address and it'll give you the host name and port number. Remember, it's the outgoing host and port number that we need because we're sending emails out. We're not interested in the incoming host and port number because we're not receiving emails. There's another really nice feature within Rhino. So let's say you did set up a custom email address for orange.fr. If there's an email account already set up, as soon as you type in the @rhinoapps.com or whatever your company name is, it'll automatically pick up the mail service provider for this account for any other employees. I would emphasize that this is a one-off exercise. You just need to do it once, and then after that you just click email invoice, email estimate, and everything just flows. There's lots of other advantages of using your local email account. It means that when you send an invoice to your customers, it'll actually come from your email address and people will recognize it's from you. The other big advantage is that if you go into your sent items, there'll be a copy of whatever email was sent to your customer in your sent items. So I hope you have fun with this really powerful feature, and we'll see you on the next tutorial.